Working out volume of prisms with dimensions by MaskedMathsEZ. Okay, so here is a triangular prism with dimensions. First of all, we know that we don't need 30 centimeters, and this is because we need the perpendicular height. 30 centimeters is not the perpendicular height, it's just the slanted height. And so to find the volume of this prism, all you do is the height times by base times by depth. The perpendicular height being 10 centimeters, the base being 4 centimeters, and the depth being 50 centimeters. And now when you times this all together, you'll receive an answer of... However, this is where some people go wrong, since this is a triangular prism, and therefore we divide by 2. Since a triangle will have an area formula of length times width over 2, and therefore we divide by 2. And this gives you an answer of 1000 centimeters cubed, remembering the cubed. So to find this prism, all you have to do is height times base times depth times a half. And now we move on to the next one. Already we know that we don't need the 6 centimeters. This is because this is a slanted height and not the perpendicular height. So we can just cross out the 6 centimeters, since this is a hindrance to the question. And to find the volume, all you do is half times 15 times 7 times 5. Notice how we times by half, and this is because it's a triangular prism. Notice how I times by a half, and this is because it's a triangular prism. To find out any volume of any prism, all you do is find the main shape's area and then times by the depth and the perpendicular height. So this gives you 262.5 centimeters cubed. This is a trapezoidal prism. And as we already know, we must find the area of this trapezium, and then we times it by the depth. To find the area of this trapezium, you have to use this formula. Half of a plus b times by height. Therefore you do half of 10 plus 1 times by 5, giving you 27.5 centimeters as the cross-sectional area. The a is 10 centimeters, and the b is 1 centimeters. And then the height is 5 centimeters. Now to find the volume of the prism, all you do is times the cross-sectional area by the depth, and therefore 27.5 times by 20 gives you 550 centimeters cubed. And that's all for today. See you in the next.